Hey there. The purpose of this video is to show you how to complete the 10 key mastery component for this course. So there are a couple of things that you need to have installed on your machine to let the 10 key mastery program work. The first of which is the latest version of Java. So all you have to do is go to www.java.com and click free Java download. It's safe, and you're going to need the latest version for the 10 key mastery program to work. Once you click free Java download, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the download, or the installation process rather. The next item that you need is the web browser Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox, like I said, is a web browser. It's like Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Safari if you're on a Mac. But you need Mozilla Firefox to work in the 10 key mastery program. The 10 key mastery program will not work in Internet Explorer. So notice on my screen, the top left hand corner, you can see I'm using the Mozilla Firefox web browser right now, and I'm already logged into D2L, which takes me to the next component of this video. At this point, you already know how to log into D2L, but just to bring you up to speed, what I've done thus far, I've logged into eLearn through the Dyersburg State website. I've clicked on this class, AOM 103 Online. I've clicked on Content, and this is where I'm at right now. You've seen this screen many times before. I'm going to scroll down to the 10 key mastery information right here. It says Module 4 10 key mastery. And there's some general information that I've provided for you, but hopefully this video will answer a lot of your questions or any of the concerns that you may have getting into the program. There's some help videos that I've linked here for you. You can also access them once you get over into the 10 key mastery program as well. And then there's a link to log into the 10 key mastery program provided for you right there. Also, I'm going to scroll on down to week 11 right here, and notice I've also provided you yet another link to the 10 key mastery website. It takes you to the same place as the link above. To know what, or rather which assignments or lessons you need to have completed in the 10 key mastery program for week 11, click on the week 11 assignment sheet like you've done for the last 10 weeks, and notice right here it says begin work on the 10 key mastery website. You will need to visit the website, the link provided in week 11 content area, which we just discussed, register your code, and begin work on the assignments. Sections 1 through 6 are due by the end of this week. So I'm going to close that window out, go back over here, and click on the 10 key mastery website link, which takes me here. And the password to get into the 10 key mastery program is Dyersburg. Well, actually the login is Dyersburg, the password is Dyersburg for everyone. Once you get in, there's another username and password that's unique to you as a student to identify what your work from everyone else's. So I'm going to click sign in, and the link that you want to click now is this one here, bottom right hand corner, 10 key mastery. So I'm going to click that. It also looks like the front of the little text that you have with this component. So then I'm just going to click run this Java application, hence the importance of having the latest version of Java installed on your machine, and then click open existing student file. We're AOM 103, fall semester 2013 is the year, and notice that all of your names should show up in this list. If for some reason your name doesn't show up, let me know, and I'll get it worked out for you. But they should all be in there. I created a username for myself for the purpose of this demonstration, so I'm going to click my name, and I'm going to click open. And it asks for the password. The password for your account is the last 4 digits of your student ID number, not your social security number, your student ID number, your Dyersburg State student ID number. So the one that's D000 something something something, that one. It's the last 4 digits of that number. So I'm going to put mine in, and I'm going to click OK, and it's going to log me in. And there's lots of items you can click on here. The home, user info. If you want to change your user information, you can. I don't really care. But if you like to do that, you can. There's some introduction videos here that I also provided the link for you, remember, in D2L. But the main item that you want to focus on is the green bar, the lessons, right here. So I'm going to click lessons, and it asks you for an access code. The access code should come with your text, or if not, you can contact the publisher and get one of those as well. And then once you put the code in, you click OK. For this demonstration purpose, I'm going to click skip because it will allow me to see a few of the lessons without the access code. Actually, 5 of the lessons it will let me see. So it'll let me see lesson 1, 2, 8, 15, and 22. You'll also be able to see this information as well, but you won't be able to complete all of them until you have the access code. So I have lesson 1 already selected, and I'm going to look at the text that accompanies this this program, and I'm on page B4, and actually that's B as in boy and 4 as in the letter, not before, but B4. And lesson 1 has 741 keys, and the first one is 14, so I'm going to press 14, and notice that the timer at the bottom begins counting down. So that's how you're gauged, or scored rather, by how fast you can use the 10 key component of the keyboard. If you have a keyboard for some reason it doesn't have the 10 key component, you need to do this on a computer that does, or you need to get one of those little keypads. They're relatively inexpensive from Walmart or Target or wherever, and use that. You don't need to use the numbers that are at the top of the alphabetic keyboard. Those won't work. You won't be able to get a good enough score to complete this component. It won't be worth your time. And then once you're finished, I can click on lesson 2, begin lesson 2, which is also on page B4. And then once I'm finished working, when I've gone through lessons 1 through 6 for week 11, I'm just going to click save and close lesson window, save and close file, and then I can just exit out of the program. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Have a good rest of your day.